have that view over there. That's just pretty awesome. That's almost as awesome as watching that Mike Les guy on YouTube. That is one good-looking tractor and grain cart. Hello everybody, it is Farmhand Mike bringing you a video from Boone, Iowa. The 2020 Farm Progress Show was scheduled to be in Boone, Iowa on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, September 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, but that was canceled. But they did have a virtual Farm Progress Show, and that was held on Monday, August 31st, and Tuesday, September 1st. In the virtual Farm Progress Show was just equipment demonstrations for company reps and media. I was attending the show for Versatile to run a Versatile Delta Track tractor and a Fury high-speed disc in the equipment demonstrations, but the combine demonstrations ran on Monday, August 31st, and I was already here to set my machine, so I was able to get some combine footage of the harvest. And in this video, I am going to show you the new John Deere X9 1100 series combine in action in a cornfield. The Farm Progress Show is held at a permanent site here in Boone, Iowa every other year, and then on the other years it's held in Decatur, Illinois at that Farm Progress site. The corn here in the video is a short day corn they plant just for the show. That way they have dry enough corn for the end of August, 1st of September, depending how the show dates fall. I was told this corn was testing around 22%, but you can see there's a lot of wind damage in this corn. A few weeks ago, Iowa had a bad windstorm that come through here, the derecho, with 100-mile-an-hour plus straight line winds, and did a lot of damage to the corn, bins, barns, and so forth. The corn here at the show did not see the worst of the damage, and they were still able to get through it with the combines, as you can see here. There's been a lot of talk about this all-new John Deere combine here. I do not claim to be an expert on this, so if you want more information, you'll definitely have to go to John Deere's website. But just a little bit that I know, I can give you some quick specs on this. This is a new dual rotor machine. It looks like there's two models, the X9 1000 and the X9 1100 you see here. In the video, this combine has a 16-row folding corn headed on. That is the new C16F corn head. And coming up in the video, beside the combine right now, is a John Deere RX 410 tractor pulling a Brent 1396 grain cart. These were some test runs over here. They were running for media and so forth, so I was able to get some drone shots here. And you're going to see a real green spot coming up, and the combine didn't seem to mind. It went right through it. The X9 1100 combine is powered with a Deere 13.6 liter or 830 cubic inch diesel engine, putting out a max horsepower rating of 690. This combine has a 460 bushel grain tank on it and can unload at 5.3 bushels per second. They also had two other combines here that were parked that you could just walk around and look at, and also was featuring their new flex draper head. Them will be coming up later on in the video as I walk around those machines. Also in this video, running beside the combine, you will see a John Deere 9620 RX tractor pulling a Brent 2596 grain cart. There was a total of 8 different combines running in the corn harvest demonstrations here at the Virtual Farm Progress Show, and I will be doing another video showing all those machines. There was also some tillage demonstrations, which I will have a video coming up with, and also a video of Big Bud 747, the world's largest tractor. I also ran into a couple other farm YouTubers here at the Virtual Farm Progress Show. Now for the next couple minutes, I'm just going to walk around some of the machines. This is the one they was running in the demo here with the corn head folded up. Just going to walk around it, look at it. I'm not one for opening up shields on people's equipment and climbing all over it. So just going to do a quick walk around, show you this, show you the other combine that's hooked to the flex draper head, and so on. I did see one of these new flex draper heads back in the summer on a semi-trailer going down Interstate 70. Of course, it was new to me then, didn't know what it was, and then I think a week or two after that, John Deere had a video showing their new combines and heads. Not a bad looking combine though. I'll bet those Case International guys are even saying the same thing. That's a good looking combine. I'll probably even get the 1/64th version when it comes out for my toy collection. And if they make a 1/32nd scale version, I'll probably get one of those too. Anyways, not a bad looking machine. We'll just walk around, take another look here at the flex draper again, and we will move on. I'll climb up the ladder here and take a look in the cab. I'm sure the cab is locked, but we'll take a look through the window, see what it looks like. And I'm quite sure we'll see these starting to show up on dealers' yards for fall corn and soybean harvest. Who knows, I might know somebody that's even going to get to run one this fall, and I might get the video one again. Anyways, that's going to do it for this video. This video was just featuring this combine pretty much here. I am going to have a bunch of videos coming for the Virtual Farm Progress Show. I'll try to get those up here this week yet. Got all the combines that we're running here, a lot of the tillage demos and Big Bud and so forth, so stay tuned for those. And as always, thanks for watching. You can also find me on Instagram and Twitter at Farmhand Mike.